Okay, well, we're going to start off here looking at the breeze in Pomeroy, and let's get used to that. Didn't even have any snow yesterday, but the wind is set to pick up. That's factor one. Tomorrow, wind. Tomorrow, rain. Tomorrow, snow in the mountains and a blizzard warning in the mountains. I'll get to that in just a minute. Clouds are starting to work their way in. You can see them out there to the far west. How about the slushy stuff? Well, you know, it's not even that slushy. It's just wet. Still, that stuff can possibly refreeze. Won't be terrible tonight. Around Charleston or Huntington will be just above the freezing mark, but still that stuff hits your windshield. Route 19 looking pretty good in Summersville. Back roads probably not as great. 38 Summersville, 40 Huntington. Melting is underway, 40s to the south. Now, okay, things are going to start to get a little interesting. It will not be down below freezing in many areas. It will be in Summersville, but a lot of us will be 34, 36. So the refreeze is not that big of an issue. So again, I know it's a lot of words here. Blizzard warning in the blue. And that's just for that high strip of mountains up here, just east of Kingwood, Terra Alta, western Maryland, comes right down the spine here, the Alleghenies, and right down into western Greenbrier County. So that is for 45-mile-an-hour winds, 4 inches to 8 inches of snow. That should be inches, not feet. So blizzard, by the way, you don't even really need snow for a blizzard. And you're saying, what? I always thought it was about snow. No, it's about visibility. If it's down real low for 3 hours, that counts, or it can be the wind speed of 35 miles an hour plus for several hours, and those definitions would fit that condition. Winter weather advisories to the south, 1 o'clock tomorrow through 10 a.m. Thursday. Now this wind gust forecast, this is kind of like an average for Charleston, Huntington, Ashland, Ironton, Portsmouth. All right, so tomorrow it's going to be blustery, 24 to probably about 35 mile an hour wind gusts on the day, and not quite as windy the next day. But up high, 45 mile an hour wind gusts, and that's way over here to the east. Now, Viper is quiet currently. Let's look out west. Here it is. Here's the next system. It's an Alberta Clipper. Starts up by Alberta. Thing just cruises down this way. Now, this is the first of two. Two are coming this week. This one's going to bring us strong wind and rain, and let's check it out on Predictor, and then some snow. So tonight we're looking good. Clouds are already in here in the morning. It's raining a little bit in the mountains and even snow up by Snowshoe. And then, yes, you get some rain, you get some snow, wet snow up high. These little stripes back here are gusty squalls, rain, maybe a rumble of thunder, but we need to watch out. That's just a strong puff of wind. There's your 35 mile an hour wind gust that's coming through on those showers. And then it gets colder behind this. Now you're into maybe some snow squalls by 7:30. Then you still have a few of those early Thursday, possibly a couple little streamer bands off of the Great Lakes. Then it's quiet Thursday afternoon. Thursday night, guess what? I said there were 2 Alberta Clippers coming. Here's the second one. It's snowing. And the models finally got their arms around the timing on this, and they're all kind of in the same boat. Some go maybe a few hours later than this. This is almost 3 in the morning Friday. Some say, well, it doesn't get there till 6. At this point, it doesn't matter. It's the morning commute with a pretty high impact. And then this thing zips away. The only reason that we won't get, hopefully, we're not planning on 6 inches of snow like last time. That one's sat. This one's cruising. And then there's another one late Saturday that comes by in the afternoon. Currently, the Predictor sees that one little stripe there where there may be 3 inches plus, but that includes Thursday and Friday. The rest of the area, it's more like 2 inches, maybe max 3. So on those Clippers, I usually say 1 to 3 because they're only there for a couple of hours. And then Saturday, here's another one that goes just north mainly, and then a little snow to watch that one taper off. So that would be actually a third system. Man, it's going to get busy. So windy tomorrow, 47, and then down to 28. There's a refreeze. Thursday, it's not as windy, but yeah, you get some bursts of snow in 34. Friday, 38. Saturday, 41. Sunday, 26. What? Yeah, Arctic air. So we may be shoveling a little bit Friday morning. The commute could be lousy. And then next week starts off kind of quiet back in the 30s.